What's up, guys? Peanut coming back at you. So I'm going to review these Irwin double jointed pliers, these long needle nose. I just got these right around Christmas. I used a gift card I had from Lowe's. Picked these up. I've been wanting me a pair of these. I looked at like the gear wrench ones or the Crescent branded ones or whatever. But I seen these. I think Lowe's just start carrying these. They have them. They have these, and they have the 45 bent nose ones, and they're really nice, smooth. The jaws line up fairly decent on these, and you can see they're pretty nice. Now, these were, I think, $13.99 or $14.99. They were definitely less than $15, which I thought was pretty good, pretty good buy. And these would come in handy if, you just need really long pliers, or you need to reach down in a tight spot, because they got the double jointed deal. Let me grab a tape here, and we'll take a look at just how long they actually are. About 13 inches. So the reason why I got this Napa Carlisle catalog out is because, let me flip these over. I was looking, and man, these look identical to the Napa Carlisle ones. If you see right there, I mean, the handle and everything is the same. I looked them up online on Napa's site before I turned the video on here. Man, they look identical. The ones from Napa are $40 a pair, or you can buy both of them for $60. So, I start looking at this, and, Napa, they sell Irwin products, too. And I start looking at this, then I look right down here, and now look at that. Look at those vice grips. Those look just like the Irwin ones with that little rubber grip on there, the easy release ones. So I guarantee you those are Irwins. So I'm pretty damn sure that these Napa ones are rebranded Irwins. They're the same damn pliers for 3 times the freaking money. From Lowe's, you could buy this pair and the 45 pair for less than $30 for both of them. So double the money. Now, I don't know how the warranty will work. I mean, Irwin's supposed to be lifetime warranty. I don't know if Lowe's would take it back and hook you up with a new pair, but I know it would be really easy if you bought these Napa Carlisles to take these right back up to Napa, and they'll give you a new pair, I'm sure, with no questions asked, as long as you didn't, there wasn't no signs of abuse getting crazy with them, but still, that, to me, is not worth paying double or 3 times the price for them. And these are made in China, too. I don't have the package still, but I looked at the package. It says, made in China to Irwin specifications. So. But anyways, I just thought I'd do a little review on them real quick. These are pretty cool, pretty handy. I've already used them once. They do come in handy. They work great. And I figure, hell, if you're going to buy, some real long needle nose, you might as well get these kind. And it seems like everybody and their brother, is coming out with these now. Like the first ones I ever seen a few years back were gear wrench ones, or double X pliers, or whatever they're called. And now everybody's coming out with them. And who knows, these might all be made in the same damn factory, the ones, the gear wrench and And Crescent, you know, those are the same. That's Apex Tools. And then, you know, these are Irwin's owned by Stanley Black & Decker. But hell, these look just like those too. So I'm sure somebody's probably got a patent on this design. So they might all be buying them from the same spot. So anyways, I just wanted to do a little review. I've seen a lot of people reviewing the gear wrench and the Crescent branded ones, but I ain't really seen nobody reviewing these Irwin ones, and these are nice. I mean, they're smooth as butter. Really nice. Got real nice jaws on them. I'm just shooting this with my phone. I don't have no fancy camera, but got real nice jaws on them. Jaws do line up pretty nice, like I was saying. Probably ain't gonna focus in very good. Ain't gonna focus too much shit in the background. But anyways, and just a tip for you guys. When you buy cheap pliers, cheap tools in general, look through them on the shelf. Like, when you buy pliers, look at them. Go through all the ones that they got hanging on the rack and pick you out the best ones. Because they'll have some of them that are just fucked right off on the ends. So, and the same thing with ratchets and wrenches and gear wrench, you know, ratcheting wrenches and all that shit. Go through them and check them. I've gotten to where anymore, if I buy Chinese junk, I go through and check it, because a lot of times it'll be messed up right straight from jump. A crib death, they call it. So, anyways, that's all I got, man. Thanks for watching. Go get you some of these pliers if you have a need for them. These are good ones. Alright, see ya.